Okay, let's give it up. She's coming out, Miss CiCi. Here she comes. All right, get it going. We love you. She's moving slow. She needs a chair. We got the chair, baby. Sorry, honey, love you. CiCi, they want more. Okay, the deal is though, let me see how many people are going to tip her if I bring her on again, because we're running behind schedule. So you know what? Stand up if you're going to tip her. Nope, see, not a bitch. Bye. Love ya. Love the hair. Hope you win. Bye-bye. All right, we're moving on now. We're taking the money though.